Class 12th, Subject Physics, 11th chapter, Magnetic Materials. Magnetic Materials. From this chapter, let us see numericals from exercise. Numerical number 3 is given as when a plate of magnetic material of size 10 centimeter into 0.5 centimeter into 0.2 centimeter, that is length, breadth and thickness respectively, is located in magnetizing field of 0.5 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter, then a magnetic moment of 5 ampere meter square is induced in it. Find out magnetic induction in the rod. So here the given data is length of the plate L is equal to 10 centimeter, breadth is equal to 0.5 centimeter and thickness is 0.2 centimeter. Then magnetizing field H is 0.5 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. Then magnetic moment M is equal to 5 ampere meter square, and we have to find out the magnetic field, that is magnetic induction B. So if you consider that plate, then the volume of the plate phi will be equal to product of its length, breadth and thickness, that is L into B into T will be the volume phi, and therefore volume phi will be equal to 10 into 0.5 into 0.2 in terms of centimeter, which comes out to be 1 centimeter cube. It will be converted into meter cube as 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube, that is 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. Now the magnetic field B is given by the formula B equal to mu 0 into H plus mz. B is equal to mu 0 into H plus mz, and therefore in this case mu 0 into H plus mz will be written as m by phi, that is magnetization mz equal to m by phi, and therefore formula will be B equal to mu 0 into H plus m by phi. Putting the values, we will get B equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, that is mu 0 into 0.5 into 10 raised to 4 plus 5 upon 10 raised to minus 6. Further it will be written as 4 into 3.142 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 0.5 into 10 raised to 4 plus 5 upon 10 raised to minus 6 will be written as 5 into 10 raised to 6. Further we will get B equal to 12.568 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 0.5 into 10 raised to 4 plus this 5 into 10 raised to 6 will be written as 500 into 10 raised to 4, so that 10 raised to 4 will be taken common from these two terms, and therefore we can write B is equal to 12.57 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 500.5 into 10 raised to 4, that comes out to be 6.290 Tesla. This will be the required magnetic field. Then we will go for next numerical, that is numerical number 4, which is given as a rod of magnetic material of cross section 0.25 centimeter square is located in 4000 ampere per meter magnetizing field. Magnetic flux passing through the rod is 25 into 10 raised to minus 6 Weber. Find out A. Relative permittivity, B. Magnetic susceptibility, and C. Magnetization of the rod. And therefore for this numerical given data is area of cross section of the rod A is equal to 0.25 centimeter square, that will be equal to 25 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Then magnetizing field H is equal to 4000 ampere per meter. Then magnetic flux phi is equal to 25 into 10 raised to minus 6 Weber. Then we have to find out relative permittivity mu r, then susceptibility Cm, and magnetization Mz. So the magnetic field B is nothing but the magnetic field will be equal to magnetic flux per unit area, that is B equal to phi by A, and therefore it will be equal to 25 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 25 into 10 raised to minus 6, which comes out to be 1 Weber per meter square. So this is the magnetic field, 1 Weber per meter square. Now let us find first relative permittivity mu r. So B is equal to mu 0 mu r h. B is equal to mu 0 mu r h, and therefore mu r will be equal to B upon mu 0 h. B upon mu 0 h. Putting the values, we will get 1 upon 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into 4000, and therefore mu r will be equal to 10,000 divided by 50.272. 10,000 divided by 50.272, which comes out to be 198.91. 198.91, which is approximately equal to 199. 199, that will be the required relative permittivity. Then B, we will find the susceptibility Cm, that is mu r equal to 1 plus Cm. Mu r equal to 1 plus Cm, and therefore Cm equal to mu r minus 1. Cm equal to mu r minus 1, that will be equal to 199 minus 1, which is equal to 198. That will be the susceptibility, 198. Then C, as susceptibility Cm is equal to magnetization upon magnetizing field, that is Mz upon H. Therefore magnetization Mz equal to Cm into H. Putting the values, we will get 198 into 4000. 198 into 4000, and therefore magnetization Mz equal to 7.92 into 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter. So magnetization is 7.92 into 10 raised to 5 ampere per meter. Now let us go for next numerical, that is numerical number 5, which is given as the work done for rotating a magnet with magnetic dipole moment M through 90 degree from its magnetic meridian is n times the work done to rotate it through 60 degree. Find the value of n, and therefore for this numerical the given data is work done. To find that work done, given data is theta 0 is equal to 0 degree, theta 1 equal to 90 degree, theta 2 equal to 60 degree. Then relation between two work done is given, W1 equal to n times W2, and we have to find out the value of n, and therefore the work done to rotate the magnet, from theta 0 to theta is given by the formula work done W equal to mb into cos theta 0 minus cos theta, mb into cos theta 0 minus cos theta, and therefore the first work done W1 to rotate that magnet from 0 to 90 degree, that will be written as W1 equal to mb into cos theta 0 minus cos theta 1, that is mb into cos 0 degree minus cos 90 degree, which comes out to be W1 equal to mb into cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0, and therefore mb into 1 minus 0, which will be equal to mb. So this will be the first work done, that is W1 equal to mb. Now the second work done, W2, in order to rotate that magnet from 0 to 60 degree will be mb into cos theta 0 minus cos theta 2. mb into cos theta 0 minus cos theta 2, which will be equal to mb into cos 0 degree minus cos 60 degree. But again cos 0 is 1 and cos 60 will be equal to half. Therefore, W2 will be equal to mb into 1 minus half, which comes out to be mb by 2. mb by 2, which is equal to 0.5 mb. 0.5 mb. So as W11 equal to mb and W2 is equal to 0.5 mb, therefore we can write W1 is equal to 2 times W2. W1 is equal to 2 times W2, and therefore as per given data, W1 is equal to NW2, W1 equal to NW2, therefore N will be equal to 2. N is equal to 2. This is the required value of N. Then we will go for next numerical, that is numerical number 6, which is given as an electron in an atom is revolving round the nucleus in a circular orbit of radius 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter with a speed of 2 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Find the resultant orbital magnetic moment and angular momentum of electron if charge on electron E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb and mass of the electron M is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. And therefore the given data for this numerical is radius r is equal to 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter, speed v equal to 2 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second, charge on electron E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Then mass of the electron Me equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. We have to find out M0 and L0. M0 and L0, that is orbital magnetic moment M0 and the angular momentum of the electron L0. Now we know that orbital magnetic moment of the electron M0 equal to half EVR. Therefore putting the values we will get M0 equal to half into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 into 2 into 10 raised to 6 into 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11. Solving this we will get 8.48 into 10 raised to minus 24, 8.48 into 10 raised to minus 24 ampere meter square. This will be the orbital magnetic moment. Then angular momentum of the revolving electron L0 equal to MEVR. Then putting the values we will get L0 equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31, 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into 2 into 10 raised to 6, 2 into 10 raised to 6, that is velocity, into 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11, 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11. Finding this product we will get 9.646 into 10 raised to minus 35. 9.646 into 10 raised to minus 35 kilogram meter square per second. This will be the required angular momentum of that revolving electron.